Well, welcome back. I'm just doing a bit of a test run. I've got a new GoPro 10 that I'm trying out over here on the handlebars, and so I want to give that a bit of a run today. So I thought I would go through the Pichi Richi Pass again and take you guys with me and see if I can get some better footage than what I got last time. We'll see how it goes, seeing as I've got two cameras now. I've got this GoPro mounted on the helmet, so I'm hoping that it's coming out quite clear, and I'm hoping the sound, the voice, is coming out clear too. So got a big ride coming up next month, going to Canberra, so that should be a good ride, and that's why I'm doing all this testing to make sure everything's all working, because I want to take you guys along with me as well. So we'll see how it goes. So this is the goats coming out of Corn now, and just about to start on the Pichi Richi Pass Road, and I'm going to stop at a station stop called Woolshed Flat. So I want to have a bit of a look around that while we're here, so take a bit of footage, have a look at it. I keep driving past it and riding past it, but I've never actually stopped to go and have a look at it, so I thought today would be a great opportunity to do that. So I know it's been a while since I've posted, lots has been happening, but finally things are getting under control, so hopefully I can start posting a few more things now. For those that have stuck with me while I haven't been posting, thank you, I really appreciate that. And to those new ones that have just subscribed to my channel, welcome aboard. I'm not a full-time YouTuber, so I have to fit things in between work, but I will try and get some more video content out for you as things go. So hopefully, all going well, there'll be some more movies on my channel. No matter how many times I drive along this section of road here, I always admire that view, that ridge line there. It's absolutely fantastic. Sometimes when you come through, the clouds are just below the top, so they actually disappear, so it's quite good. Coming out in the pass always makes it look beautiful. It's showing spring is almost here, thank goodness. We haven't had real wet weather, but it's been we've had some very cold mornings, but overall it's been pretty good. just coming up just up here on the left is Woolshed Flat. I'm going to just call in there, have a bit of a look around it. As I said, I keep driving past it, but I've never, as I recall, it's just round this bend here. There it is. Let's go and have a, oh, the train's in. Guess we're not going to go look at it today. Have a look at it on the way back, I think. But we'll have a look. Alright, we'll see what we can do on the way back. Don't want to go looking there when there's people there. Go and have a look, you see, on the way back.
When we get together, gonna be good vibe, keeps on getting better. We can watch the sunrise. Been a hard time, but I keep trying, keep on walking that road. Been a long night, but I'm still fighting, I'm not staying down low. I'm pushing past the edge, I see the light ahead, saw the dark side, but the sun is rising, I'm not giving up hope. It's a good day coming, it's a good day coming, it's a good day, sweet like honey, it's a good day coming, gonna keep on running, won't stop for nothing, it's a good day, it's a good day coming, it's a good day coming, it's a good day coming, feeling alright, the world is changing right now, ready or not, gonna take flight, and reawaken the dreams I never forgot, flipping the script today, I'm going all the way, it's about time, I'm done waiting, sunshine coming in hot, it's a good day coming, it's a good day coming, it's a good day, sweet like honey, it's a good day coming, keep on running, won't stop for nothing, it's a good day, it's a good day coming, it's a good day coming.
The lizards are starting to come out, which means the snakes will be coming out. Always gets me the way that you look at that slippage that's up on that hill in front of us there, where part of it was slid down. It's been like that for quite a few years now, but it would have been spectacular to actually watch that slide when it actually gave way. This is Saltai Creek, just through here. we're coming out of the pass. I'm hoping this footage turns out alright actually. Well, hope you enjoyed that ride through the Peachy Richie Pass. I'm just hoping it all turns out. Just coming into Stirling North, which is just one of the suburbs of Port Augusta. We stop, get a drink, cruise on back. Thanks for coming along. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Love to have your company on my future rides. And perhaps if you did enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Till next time. See ya. Bye.